What is precision, what is recall, and what is F1 score, or what is accuracy? So just like in a regression problem, we have our MSc, RMSc and MAE. Here we have precision, recall and accuracy. And all these values are calculated by our confusion matrix. So confusion matrix is the important part for this, to calculate our values. Okay. Precision. So simply your precision is an error related to your false positive. Correct. And the formula to calculate precision is that this. Okay. So guys, what you can understand for this formula, from this formula? TP upon TP plus FP. Correct. So TP is nothing but your true positive and FP is nothing but your false positive. Correct. So true positive is a prediction of your model, but correctly prediction, but it's positive prediction. Correct. So FP is also the positive prediction of your model. Correct. Both prediction are positive. Maybe it's true or it's false, but your model predicted is as positive. So out of total positive prediction, how many or how much prediction is really true is called as precision. Okay. So out of complete total prediction, total positive prediction, how much prediction is true or can say correct? Okay. So it will give you some number in percentage. Correct. So maybe it's 70%, 80%. Okay. So if your precision is more, we can say your model is correctly predicting. Okay. And now let's talk about another matrix called as recall. Okay. So recall is nothing but it's your true positive and it's your false negative. False negative is nothing but in actual case, false negative is nothing but your true positive, because it's false negative, it's wrongly predicted negative class, but in actual case it's positive. So out of actual positive values, out of actual present positive values, how many values are predicted correctly positive? This is called as your recall. So you don't have to calculate manually. While implementation, you will have a function called as, one function only is there called as classification report. This function will return everything in single function. Okay, but you should have awareness about this. Okay, I can understand these things are little bit not easy to understand at first, but once you practice it, it will be easy. Okay. So now precision and recall are the two errors. Precision is related to false positive and recall is related to your false negative. Then comes your last, which is your accuracy. So accuracy is nothing but the total of your true positive and true negative upon complete prediction. Complete prediction, whether it is true positive, true negative, false positive, false negative. Out of this complete prediction, how much your data is correctly predicting the data. So true positive and true negative are correctly predicted classes. So out of complete prediction, how much your prediction will be true? Okay, this is your accuracy. So these three metrics are important with respect to your classification metrics. Okay, these metrics are not like regression. MSc, RMSc, mean ले लो, divide कर दो, ऐसा नहीं है. Okay, so these are little bit different. Okay, MSc, RMSc are easy to understand because you know from your childhood math that division, multiplication. Okay, but here little bit complex is there. Okay, so precision, recall and accuracy are three important metrics. But can you see, precision is completely related to false positive. Okay, so in precision formula, there is a false positive only. Correct. And in your recall formula, there is a FN only, false negative only. Okay. So here comes your next matrix, which shows the balance between precision and recall, which can shows you the balance between precision and recall, and this matrix is called as F1 score. So F1 score is nothing but 2PR, 2 into precision into recall upon precision plus recall. So harmonic F1 score is nothing but the harmonic mean of precision and recall. So the formula is very simple. F1 score is nothing but 2PR upon P plus R. Okay. So F1 score is nothing but harmonic mean. So a complete trade-off. F1 score is nothing but a balance between your precision and recall. Okay. So you can calculate your model on the basis of F1 score. Okay. And this one in this F1 score is called as beta value. Okay, so in some cases you can change this value also. Here I am talking about F1 score. If you want to calculate, it's 0.5, F 0.5 will be there, but mostly we prefer 1. Okay, so it's called as F1 score. Okay, now this formula came from this formula. So this is the formula of F beta, and after manipulation of this formula we will get this formula. So this formula is important for us. 2PR